What's up? My name is Jaden, and I'm doing another crazy episode of Burps Everywhere, Part 2. Well, I'm going to get off with some burps, and still got the big mouth. So, hope you enjoy the burps. Go. The first one was good, though. Got better parts. Okay, I think that's it though. But if you liked the video, please give it a like or subscribe it. And have a good day or a good night. Bye-bye.